Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Google phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to on night light on Google phone. Friends, you want to on guys your night light setting on your Google Pixel phone. So friends, how to on night light and how to use it today friends I am going to show you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, open your phone setting to use guys night light setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type of interface on your Google Pixel phone. So friends, scroll it. Friends, click on guys your display setting. After click on display setting friends, scroll it. Friends, click on night light settings. So night light setting we will tap here. Friends, you can see use night light. So guys, we will on guys night light setting. After on guys, you can see screen color will change. And friends, you want to increase this brightness. So friends, left side you can decrease and right side guys you can increase. Friends, you can see night light guys, you should on guys at night when you operate your phone at night. So you should on it. After on guys, you can see may help you sleep more easily. So friends, you can use guys your night light when you operate your phone at night. So you should on your night light. After on guys, you can look at on your screen easily, and friends, you can operate your phone easily friends. So after on guys, your skin color will show like that. So friends, again we will click on phone setting, and guys now we will click on search setting, and guys we will search here guys night setting. As you can see night light guys, we will search here and guys tap here. Friends, you want to use direct, friends you can on from here, and friends you want to off, so you can off from here. And friends, you can see the schedule time. Friends, you want to schedule your night lights, so you can schedule according to yourself. Start time guys set here, and end time guys, so your automatic night light will on, automatic night light will off on your Google Pixel phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye bye guys.